Be ready, 5 seconds.
Radio is a way for people to listen to music, news, and stories through sound waves. In India, radio has been very important for many years. It helps connect people from different parts of the country, no matter where they live or what language they speak. Unlike TV, radio does not need a screen, so people can listen to it even in villages and remote areas where there may not be electricity or internet. Because of this, radio has become a key way to share information and provide entertainment. In India, regular radio programs began in 1927. The Indian government set up the All India Radio, also known as Akashbani, in 1936. AIR became the official radio station of the country, sharing news, music, and important information with millions of people. Over the years, AIR played a big role during important times like India's independence by keeping everyone informed. Radio has been especially helpful for people in rural areas. Many places in India do not have modern technology, but almost everyone has access to a simple radio. Farmers, for example, listen to radio programs to hear about the weather, farming tips, and government updates. Shows like Kisan Vani share useful advice that helps farmers grow better crops and earn more money. This makes radio a very important tool for helping people in villages. Radio is also used to teach people. In India, many people may not be able to go to school, but they can still learn by listening to educational radio programs. These shows teach about various subjects. In the early days after India became independent, the government used radio to teach people how to read and write. Radio makes learning easier for those who might not have the chance to attend a school. Radio is also very popular for its music. In India, music is a big part of life, and radio stations play all kinds of songs, especially Bollywood music. One of the most famous radio stations is Vivid Bharati, which has been playing Hindi film songs for many years. Many people in India grew up listening to radio shows like Binaka Geetmala, which played the most popular Bollywood songs of the week. These shows became part of Indian culture, and the radio presenters became well known voices that everyone recognized. Radio has also been important during difficult times. For example, during the wars between India and Pakistan, All India Radio gave people important news and updates about what was happening. Leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi spoke to the country through the radio, keeping people calm and informed during hard times. In recent years, community radio has become popular in India. These are small radio stations that focus on the needs of local people. Community radio stations broadcast in local languages and talk about topics like health, education, and women's rights. This helps local communities stay informed and solve problems that are important to them. Even though we now have TV and the internet, radio is still important.